So just find the equation of tangent plane and normal to the surface at the point the given 1 minus 1 2. So what is the normal to the surface? Always we find gradient to the normal surface. Gradient is normal to the surface. So for the given surface, let us apply the gradient that is del A. So let us write the formula first. So with respect to x, y, z, let us write this differentiation for the given surface E. So let us find the gradient with respect to I, the partial derivative. So with respect to x, the other variables are constant. That's why here 2z square we get. Next, here the derivative of x is 1. So that's why it is minus 3y minus 4. The derivative of constant is 0. Next, let us write with respect to y. In the first term, there is no y variable. That's why the derivative is 0. The second term, the derivative of y minus 3x. There is no y term, the differentiation is 0. Now, let us write k into with respect to z. So here, in the first term, z is square. The derivative of z square, we should write that is 4xz. X is constant. So there are no other variable in the terms in the z to differentiate with respect to z. So this is the gradient function. But the given point is given. So that's why at the point, let us write gradient. So wherever x, y, z, let us substitute the point 1 minus 1, 2 here. Here there is no x, y value is minus 1. So to substitute, z is 2, or it is square, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus of minus, this is plus 3 minus 4. Wherever here also, the substitute the x value is 1 with the minus. Okay, it is x into z. So it is 4 into 2. So finally the gradient vector is equals to, so what is the value here total? 11 minus 4, it is 7i minus 3j plus 8. So but what is our required aim here? To find equation of tangent plane. Let us write the equation of tangent plane formula. So always we are taking the position vector capital R minus R dot gradient. This is the formula for finding the equation of tangent. So for the small r, we can write how to write the position vector r for the given point. For the given point 1 minus 1 2, we can write the position vector as using these coordinates. We can write xi minus j plus 2 into k. The similar way, we can write capital R instead of the XYZ small letters. Let us choose the capital X, Y into J plus Z into K. This is the capital R. Always we have to take a position vector for this equation of tangent plane. So these are the two values we have to substitute. Already we calculated the gradient of capital R minus small r. Take the dot product equals to, because it is an equation we are finding. Let us find and substitute in the equation of tangent plane is. So what is the capital R first? Let us substitute. So we have to take difference on the coordinates here. So if you're taking the difference here, small r, what is the small r? Xi. From the with respect to the given point only, always we have to take. Dot product. What is the gradient? Gradient is also a vector. 7i minus 3j, 8k is 0. So in this difference, what we can take? How we take the difference of? Let us take common. I, if you take common, capital X minus small x. Just we have to take ijk as a common and write this one. Here also, it is write this capital Y. So capital Y, this minus of minus plus, you will get 1 here. Again, the k if you take, this is also that, this is capital Z. Capital Z, and this is 2k. So that's why it is Z minus 2 we can write. It is k. So this is the equation of tangent plane. It is 0. So what is equation of normal? The equation of normal is obtained by taking the differentiations in the denominator. So how will you write this one? This is the way. Capital X minus xy. Like in the equation of line equation we are writing. In that way we have to write the partial derivatives in the denominator. Like x minus a by normal. Like direction cosines we are taking. Like that capital Y minus y. Rho fy, rho y. Similarly, capital Z minus small zy. If you write in the denominator this partial derivatives, that will give the normal to the surface. Because this is the equation of line we are writing. In that way, we can write equation of normal. What are the partial derivatives here? Already in this grad f, we calculated this dou f by dou x. So let us write in this way. What are the differentiation values in this unit equation of normal? So if that is a, remember the equation of tangent means this is the formula, and equation of normal, that's what asks is a question. So they just the normal what we have to take, we have to put equating some constant as t or k. We can choose that some variable here, either t or k you can take. So let us substitute that equation of normal. So in this equation of normal, what we have to take? Capital X minus x by, already we done this partial differentiations here. So that's why what is dou f by dou x? Only this partial derivative terms. But partial derivative also is substituted. So what is the coefficient of I? This we can write directly. Because in the grad f, we substituted this one. Dou f by dou x. After substituting, what is this one value? First let us write this one. 7 you can write the constant. Capital Y minus small y. The coefficient of j minus 3 and z minus capital zy. Coefficient of k is k3. So this is the way we can find equation of tangent and normal to the given surface Fn. So always for the given surface I have to remember first it is required to find the gradient. Always whatever the surface is given. So at the point we can get. And this is the way for the with respect to the given point, we have to write small r. This is a position vector. But we have to write this one. This is a capital R with respect to the way the normal to the surface. On the tangent plane, this is a position vector. Small r is the position vector on that plane, but capital R is a position vector on tangent plane. So that is the difference in this two capital R we have to remove. That's why the coefficients of ijk we have to write x, y, z. This is the formula for tangent plane and this is the normal to the surface. So finally we get equation of that surface. Equals to either we can take equals to some constant or if you evaluate you will get x, y, z numbers. Just you can only substitute those ijk coefficients in the denominator. Whatever the dou f by dou x. That is the difference in the tangent and normal.